So let me just write it here. Okay, so what do you guys think a thesis statement is?
Okay, so I think it's a statement of purpose and it outlines what you're going to write in your essay.
Yeah, absolutely. So a thesis statement basically is a summary of the main point of your essay. So if you're writing a research paper, a book report, any kind of writing assignment, you really need to have a thesis statement, and it's basically just the main point of your assignment. So that's absolutely correct. I'm just going to put it. So a thesis statement is the main point of your assignment. Okay, so if I gave you a thesis statement that said, those running for president should be held to a higher ethical standard than a normal citizen, what do you think that paper would be about? Yes?
The ethical standards that they should be held to.
Absolutely, yeah. So the paper would just be about why should they be held to a higher ethical standard of behavior, and also just the ethical standards that they should be held to. So that's actually a good example of a thesis statement. So it would just be those running for president, and notice it doesn't say presidents, it's those running candidates that are running for president. For president should be held to a higher standard. And we can just say of ethical behavior. Ethical behavior. Okay. So what if I said a thesis that says the moral of this novel, and it can be any novel, so the moral of this novel is that love always wins. What would that be about, do you think? What would that writing assignment be about? If I said the moral of this novel is that love always wins, what would that be about? Yes.
How the themes from the novel are love always wins.
Yeah, so exactly. So that would be the assignment, and you'd also want to say why. Why is the theme, why is the moral of the story that love always wins, and how? Supporting evidence, because the thesis should always be supported. So that would also be another good example. One thing we definitely want to avoid when writing a thesis statement is just factual statements. So do you guys think the thesis statement, the sky is blue, would be a good thesis statement? Yes.
No.
No, it would not be a very good thesis statement. How about, because we also want to avoid oversimplifying thesis statements. We want them to be very specific, and we want to avoid the just because method, which is writing something without any reason why. So if we say, do you think this is, let me give you an example. Do you think this is a good thesis statement? Everyone should drink fruit punch. No, no, right. And also not true, probably. But how do you think we could improve this? I think a good way to improve this would be to say, if everyone drinks 1 cup of fruit punch daily, they are less likely to develop health problems in the future, health issues in the future. Do you think that would be a better thesis statement? Yeah. Also not true. That's not, fruit punch is not good for you. Well, I guess it depends. So that's definitely not a good thesis statement. Okay, so you guys are going to repeat this chant. It goes, summarize your point, get your point across. What's the point? I don't know. Summarize your point. Okay, so now we're going to say it together. So ready?
Summarize your point, get your point across. What's the point? I don't know. Summarize your point.
Good job, guys. That was really great.